Want to know how to start recovering from chronic dieting? First, you have to recognize your diet mindset and how it shows up in your life, and then decide to walk away from diet culture. Second, learn about intuitive eating and adopt a more neutral attitude about your body. Next, introduce mindfulness to help you stay in the present moment instead of constantly thinking about the past or worrying about the future. Then, start practicing a little self-compassion and curiosity instead of judgment. See, the more we learn about eating psychology, mindful and intuitive eating, and self-coaching, the less we focus on what we're eating or not eating and if it's good or bad food or if we're good or bad people because of what we choose to eat. Once I started practicing a non-diet approach to my health, I began to feel safe around food. And you can too. I'm Holly Toscanini, a certified health coach and recovering chronic dieter. I coach women who are ready to walk away from diet culture and redefine their relationship with food while establishing a peaceful relationship with their bodies. If this sounds like you or somebody you know, I'm so glad you're here. You see, my non-diet approach to health is very important because it allows you to stop wasting your precious time and energy trying to change yourself to fit into some unrealistic ideal of beauty. And it speaks to your underlying desire to feel valued and worthy just as you are right now. If you're ready to learn more, click the link in my bio and schedule a free discovery call to see if we're a good fit to work together. Let's get your life back from diet culture.